Data centers are hitting a physical limit. Traditional copper wiring cannot move data fast enough for modern AI clusters without overheating and degrading the signal. To keep these massive systems functioning, the industry is forcing a transition from copper cables to fiber optics, using light to transmit data at scale. That transition relies heavily on Coherent. They manufacture the critical laser components and transceivers that act as the architectural backbone for these optical networks. The market has heavily rewarded this position. Driven by a massive $2 billion partnership with Nvidia, Coherent's stock price surged over 340% in a single year. But with the stock trading at a massive premium, we have to ask, is this the ultimate picks and shovels AI investment? Or has Wall Street priced in a level of perfection that the company can't possibly maintain? This diagram outlines Coherent's vertical integration. They control the production cycle from raw indium phosphide wafers straight through to finished 1.6 terabit transceivers. This control drives their most valuable segment, networking and optical transceivers, accounting for 65% of total revenue. That hardware is exactly what hyperscalers like Google, Meta, and Amazon are buying in bulk to physically wire their next-generation AI server farms. The remainder of their business comes from industrial lasers used in precision manufacturing and engineered materials. The Engineered Materials division focuses on producing 200mm silicon carbide wafers, which are critical for power electronics in electric vehicle charging networks and grid infrastructure. However, dominating the hardware side of the AI boom comes with severe operational vulnerabilities. The transceiver production line relies on a very small global number of foundries capable of processing indium phosphide. Any disruption there throttles their entire output. On top of that, the technology is moving fast. Network speeds are jumping from 400G to 800G and now to 1.6T. Miscalculating demand during these rapid transitions leaves companies holding obsolete inventory that has to be written down. Coherent is physically building the infrastructure of artificial intelligence, but to scale it, they have to navigate serious supply bottlenecks and punishing product life cycles. Let's run their financials through the Analyst's ledger. Revenue grew 17% to $1.69 billion. Gross margin expanded to 39%, proving pricing power. They paid down $400 million in debt, but operating free cash flow dropped to $103 million. Coherent takes the same cash hit a restaurant does when front-loading the cost of ingredients to prepare for a massive Nvidia lunch rush. The ledger reveals a company deliberately draining its short-term liquidity so it can physically stockpile inventory for the largest surge in infrastructure demand the tech sector has seen. Excellent business execution is only half the equation for investors. We also have to look at the price tag, and Coherent is currently trading near $350 a share. This horizontal scale plots Wall Street consensus targets, showing a low of $85, a median of $286, and a high of $375. At $350, the stock is dangerously hugging the absolute ceiling of analyst expectations. A valuation this high leaves zero margin for error. The stock is highly vulnerable to macro-level risks, specifically if hyperscalers like Google or Meta suddenly decide to tap the brakes on their capital expenditures. On the micro level, Coherent is ramping up production on new 6-inch wafers. Any manufacturing stumble or inefficiency in those yields will likely trigger a severe correction in the stock price. For investors wary of paying that premium, there are alternatives. Lumentum offers a more dedicated play on optical circuit switching for those looking to avoid Coherent's steep multiples. Alternatively, Wolfspeed offers direct exposure to the silicon carbide and electric vehicle sectors without requiring you to buy into the peak AI optical infrastructure hype. Because the current price sits so far above the median target, our definitive equity research verdict is a hold, aligning with the 12-month consensus of $28.70. If you already hold the stock, your primary defense is that $2 billion Nvidia partnership, which practically guarantees revenue visibility through the end of the decade. Coherent is successfully building the physical highways of the AI boom, but even the best toll road can be a bad investment if you overpay at the toll booth. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to catch our next valuation breakdown.